Hi guys, I'm Mahi. Welcome back to my channel. And अगर आप ये face पहली बार देख रहे हो तो welcome to my channel and please do subscribe. I know you're gonna love all the videos. Okay, so today I'm gonna talk about how to get this beautiful texture in your hair. I've been getting a lot of DMs on my Instagram, which reminds me of please follow me on my Instagram. कि कैसे कौन सा हेयर स्टाइलर आप यूज़ कर रहे हो यू नो टू गेट दिस टेक्सचर इन योर हेयर एंड टुडे this video is gonna be all about that. So I recently got my hands on this hair styler. It's by Iconic Professional. It's their 3-in-1 deep waver, and yes, this video is not at all sponsored. I really wish it was, because I'm doing a dedicated video about a single product anyway, but it's not. I have got this from my own money, and yeah, I love this product. I'm gonna show you how to do it in a while, but first let's talk about the product. So this is how the product looks like. It's called 3-in-1, so you can obviously use it in 3 ways. The first way is how you'll get this hair that I have done right here. So it's a deep waver, okay? Plate, you can reverse this plate also. You can press this button which will release the plate, and then you can switch it to a very light, like obviously ये बहुत ही इतना उठा हुआ नहीं है जितना ये उठा हुआ है, ये थोड़ा फ्लैट वर्जन है, तो इससे आपके बालों में इससे आपके बालों में थोड़ी लूज वेव्स आएंगी, ना कि टाइट वेव्स आएंगी जैसे कि ये वाली मैंने अभी की हुई है. ऑनेस्टली आई जस्ट लव इट फॉर द टाइट वेव्स ओनली बिकॉज आई जस्ट लव दिस टेक्सचर. लाइक जो नॉर्मल वाला वेव्स है वो ऑलरेडी मेरा बालों का नेचुरल टेक्सचर है, तो स्पेशली मैंने इसके लिए ख़रीदा है. एंड द थर्ड वे दैट यू कैन यूज़ इट इन, अगेन यू कैन रिलीज इट, and now you have this 2 wand curler. तो आप इसको अपने हेयर कर्ल करने के लिए भी यूज़ कर सकते हो, विच इज़ लाइक अ विन विन सिचुएशन, राइट? बट आई बी ऑनेस्ट विद यू, मैंने ये अब तक एज अ कर्लर यूज़ नहीं किया है, सो आई विल नॉट नो हाउ गुड इट वर्क्स. बट मुझे क्या लग रहा है कि सपोज इफ आई एम रैपिंग माई हेयर अराउंड अ कर्लिंग वॉन्ड, तो ये एक वॉन्ड अड़ेगा विच विल बी लाइक हॉट, एंड देन I don't know how I'm gonna use it, because obviously you cannot remove like the single wand out of it. But if you ask me if it's worth buying it for just the waver, I will say yes. Now let's come to the price point. It retails like the MRP of this product is 5500, which I know is bit on the expensive side, but then it's all worth it because it takes like hardly 20 minutes to do all of your hair. You can also take like this thick of lot of your hair and it will still do the job, which is what I like about it. तो मैंने ये Amazon से लिया था and I paid 4800 rupees for this. कोई सेल चल रहा था Amazon पे, which I'm very happy about, because 700 कम नहीं होते हैं एक प्रोडक्ट में अगर आपको कोई डिस्काउंट मिल रहा है तो. So yeah, I am very happy about it. So yeah, if you are looking for a product something like this, you can decide it after watching how I'm gonna use it and see the results and what my hair was and now is. So yeah, let's move on to that video. I think these products go a long way, so you can spend a little more than usual on it. Yeah, that was it about this video. I hope you like it. Please like if you liked it, and please comment down below if you have any other requests or any other questions or anything that you want to tell me or say to me. And please subscribe kar dena, please bell button daba dena, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.